The Asian golden weaver is a small yet remarkably striking bird, belonging to the weaver bird family renowned for its ability to construct intricate nests. These birds are primarily found in Southeast Asia, inhabiting wetlands, flooded forests, and grasslands near rivers. They captivate not only with their brilliant plumage but also with their unique breeding behaviors and exceptional nest-building skills. Measuring between 14 to 16 centimeters in length, the Asian golden weaver boasts a distinctive golden yellow plumage, which becomes even more vibrant during the breeding season as males seek to attract mates. The males feature a sharp contrast between their black head and bright yellow body, while the females have a more subdued brownish yellow coloration, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Their keen black eyes and sharp, sturdy beak help them forage for food and gather nesting materials with precision. One of the most remarkable traits of this species is its exceptional nest-building ability. Male weavers take on the role of skilled architects, using grass fibers, leaves, and vines to weave intricate, pouch-like nests suspended from trees or reeds. These nests not only provide a safe haven for eggs and hatchlings, but also serve as artistic masterpieces that help males attract potential mates. The females carefully select the most well-crafted nests for breeding, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs for about 10 to 14 days before they hatch. The breeding season of the Asian golden weaver typically occurs during the rainy months when food is most abundant. Males not only construct nests, but also perform elaborate courtship displays, including dancing and melodious singing, to attract females. Once the chicks hatch, both parents tirelessly search for insects and seeds to feed their young while vigilantly protecting the nest from predators such as snakes, wild cats, and raptors. However, despite their resilience, these small birds face significant challenges due to habitat loss. The destruction of wetlands and deforestation have put them at risk, threatening their survival. In response, numerous conservation organizations have been working to protect their natural habitats by promoting reforestation and raising public awareness about the importance of preserving biodiversity. The Asian golden weaver is not just a beautiful bird but also an essential component of the ecosystem. Protecting them means safeguarding nature's delicate balance and preserving the rich biodiversity of Southeast Asia. With continued conservation efforts, these small yet extraordinary birds will hopefully continue to grace the skies with their golden plumage and masterfully woven nests for generations to come. Now, let's take another look at the beautiful Asian golden weaver, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.